Hello, good day. We are going to be talking about how to create a Facebook business page today. So I have been getting a lot of questions regarding how do I get my product online? How do I sell on social media? How do I connect with prospects who are readily available to buy my product? So all these questions will be answered as we progress in this tutorial. My name is Clement Eshemogie, and I am the CEO, the founder of Marketconnectphc. So let me briefly talk to you about Marketconnectphc. Marketconnectphc is that platform where buyers meet sellers. Where buyers want to meet prospective sellers where you can do your business. So we are located in Port Harcourt, reaching out to the world. Yep, we are reaching out to the world in the city of Port Harcourt, Nigeria. So we actually have members, followers, and active members as well from Lagos, Abuja, Owerri, Onitsha, Uyo, Calabar, all over the major cities in Nigeria, in Kano, Kaduna, Zaria, Zamfara. They are all in the Marketconnectphc. So today we are going to be talking about how to create a Facebook business page. Now, before we dive into this topic, let's talk about the personal page, because that is where you are going to create a Facebook business page. So you should be very, very fluent or conversant with the Facebook, right? Because I've come in contact with people who just don't want to explore their Facebook account, their Facebook environment. You know, all they just want to do is just to view people's pictures and post their own pictures, and then like, share, and comment on people's picture. But trust me, there are more to which you can do with Facebook. Now, having said that, that's not going to be our topic for today. So today we are going to be diving into how to create a Facebook business page. First, you start with the menu. So I'm going to be demonstrating that using a smartphone. Moving on, click on the menu. The menu is that 3 lines on the top right. On the top right of your smartphone when you are on Facebook, that 3 line. So click on it, then locate page. If you click on the page or you tap on the page using your smartphone, you will see create, and then you will see get started. But then they must have shown you explanation using pictures and write-up, giving you details how important you choose or you feel that this platform, the Facebook business page, can help you. So what next? Get started. If you tap on get started, the next page you are going to see is name this page. What name do you want to give your page? What name do you want to give your page? Maybe in another tutorial, in another class, I am going to be talking about name for your business. Names for your business. Now that is another class on its own, and I also discovered that a lot of startups, entrepreneurs find it difficult. They find it difficult to do what? To name their page. So it's kind of tedious anyway. Now the reason why you need to name your page is so that people will find you by the page, by the name that you have called your business. So name your page. Secondly, choose the category that fits your business. So if you are a fashion designer, if you are a beautician, if you are a doctor, if you are a philanthropist, if you are a blogger, if you are a writer, if you are a mechanic, if you are a car dealer, you are into real estate, you are into hospitality, what else? Whatever you do, you will find it there. Yeah, so next is the address. It is important your customer, your prospects, your clients know where you are located, right? So you will see where you are asked to enter your address or the city. So if you're in Port Harcourt, if you're in Lagos, if you're in Houston, if you are in Sun City, you are in Dubai, you are in Paris, you are in London, you are in Portsmouth, wherever you are on planet Earth. So add it to where it is provided for you. But if you do not want to add your address, please kindly click on or tap on the button provided where it says I do not want to add an address, right? And when you are done, just say next. The cover photo and your profile photo, right? So my advice to business people is this: even if you haven't gotten all the elements to make your page to be wow. When I say elements, I mean the logo. The cover photo is like your billboard on the road. I believe that Facebook have the intention of viewing your page the way you view your page online, the way you view your shop on the streets. Now, the cover photo can be described or can be called the signpost in front of your shop, right? That can be said to be your cover photo, because if I click on your page, the first thing that hits my face is what? Is your cover photo, right? The first thing that hits my face is your cover photo. So what do? Make sure that you have a cover photo that gives details or what your page is all about. So if you are into fashion designing, so get a very good design of a clothing that you have done. Get a clean, sharp picture of it. Or maybe you are into taxi services, right? So you could want to take a picture of you and your taxi and size it up on the cover photo with your phone number and maybe your location, right? So whatever business that you are doing, you are into makeup, you are a photographer, you have a studio, you are a farmer, so just get pictures that you have already, and then it has to be a very clean picture, by the way. Then upload it on your cover photo. Now let's talk about the profile photo. The profile photo, I always advise that it should be your logo. The profile photo should be your logo. So if you want to be professional, you want to be in business, and you want people to treat your business like a business, I will encourage you to get a logo. Check out the multinationals. Not your baby's picture, not you are selling shoe, not the shoe that you are selling, not you are driving, not the tire of your car or the steering of your car, right? So whatever business that you are doing, please create a logo and make the logo your profile picture for your Facebook business page. See the multinationals: MTN, Coca-Cola, Glo, the McDonald's, Genesis Fast Food, Ajip, NNPC. If they are on social media, go and check their profile picture on their business page, and also check their cover photo on their business page. What you see there is what your own should be. Now people judge or rate you based on that as well. People judge or rate you based on that as well. So ladies and gentlemen, I believe that I was able to make you create your own business page today. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, subscribe to this channel. That will motivate us and also prepare us to do better in when we are delivering or bringing on our next clip. Thank you for your time. I appreciate. Do not forget to follow Market Connect on all social media platforms. So it's Market Connect PHCT. My name is Clement Eshemogie. I remain your guy on social media. The watch rice don't talk, so the intro don't dry. But make I drink water. To teach no use you. No vex.